Liz here with another video for you, and today I'm going to be swatching this 6-color set from Kipozi. I'm gonna go with Kipozi because I think it sounds better. But I'm gonna swatch this up and give you my first impression, so let's get started. So this was sent over to me for a promotional, but I will give you my honest opinion because I always do on my channel. It looks like the directions are pretty generalized. They don't really give you a whole lot of direction. We suggest the base coat be cured for 30-60 seconds, gel polish each coat 60 seconds, top coat 60 seconds. Now I don't have their base coat or their top coat, so I'm gonna have to use another brand's top coat for this. So we are just going to be talking about color with this, and because your durability is based on mostly your base coat and your top coat. It doesn't have the ingredients listed on the box, but it does give you an email which you can reach them. So I went ahead and emailed them. They sent me over, I did not tell them which set that I got, so they sent me over 2 MSD sheets, and I'm not really sure which one goes for this set. One of them had HEMA on it, the other one did not, and they were both very general. They didn't really tell me which set or what colors or anything. So this one it looks like a white color, and just after a few seconds, this is just one coat of the polish, and just after one coat it looks like it is it's leveling out pretty nicely, pretty quickly, and it looks like it's pretty good coat. I mean, it's very highly pigmented and coats really well just after one layer. Blah, I can't talk today. So I'm just going to cure that for 30 seconds. I would probably cure for 60 seconds if it's on my nail, just to make sure that it cures completely. So even if your gel polish has or doesn't have HEMA in it, you want to make sure that you let it cure completely. And I guess I should kind of tell you, HEMA is an ingredient that is a little bit more allergy inducing, so that's why a lot of people try and steer away from HEMA. But even without HEMA, nail polishes can cause allergies, gel polishes like this, so you want to try to make sure that you don't get them on your hands or on your fingers, around your nails. If you do get it on your skin around your nails, you want to make sure that you get it off completely with alcohol first, and then make sure that you clean the area well with soap and water. So far I'm really liking these polishes because they are pretty highly pigmented. It looks like I can just get away with using one coat. I mean, I don't think I'm doing too thick. It's just, it's a pretty kind of a thicker consistency nail polish, gel polish. So you can kind of just get away with just the one coat, if you want. And then, they do self-level really, really well, really quickly. I mean, and these blue colors are beautiful. I'm really excited that they sent me the blue colors because blue is my favorite. So I'm really excited about that. So I am kind of like sticking these in there and just curing them all together for 30 seconds. So some of them are going to be cured a little bit longer than others. They don't really have names. I think this is called the Ocean set, but they don't really have names. It's just the numbers, the J numbers for this set. I'm really liking the consistency and the coverage of these colors. Those are going to be really nice for nail art as well. So I'm probably going to be doing a couple of videos at least with these colors and show you how to do some nail art with these. So make sure that you stay tuned to my channel. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure that you give it a like. All of this is an easy way to help my channel out so I can continue to make videos like this to help you out. It doesn't cost you anything, just a like and a subscribe. And I really, really appreciate it. Yeah, all of these colors are really pretty, really pigmented, really easy to use. You get 0.25 fluid ounces of each color. It does say UV LED, so I guess you can use either. So this is the only glitter, it looks like, that comes with the set. I do like that it comes with a white as well, because that's really nice to have when you're using it for nail art and stuff. Especially like if you do have a glitter and you want to kind of really show off the glitter, you can put the white underneath and really, really show off that glitter. Even the glitter like seems to have like pretty good coverage just after one coat. So usually if I'm doing nail art to myself, I will try to use a glove. If I'm using gel polishes, just to keep myself from getting it unnecessarily on my other hand. But since I'm just doing swatches today, I thought I didn't really need it. But that just kind of helps keep your hand getting that, because I usually, like, I'll have a very bad habit of kind of like using my nails to kind of like wipe stuff off, or using my fingers to wipe stuff off. If you put that glove on, then you don't have to worry about all of that or getting on your skin. That is a really pretty glitter. You want to make sure that they're cured completely. So you want to make sure that you have the proper lamp to cure your product, and you want to make sure that you're curing them for the proper amount of time. So you always want to check to make sure of those things before you get started using these products on your nails. So like I said, this one recommended for the nail color 60 seconds. So you want to make sure that after you get it painted on there that you cure it for at least 60 seconds. Alright, so that is a matte top coat. So we're gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Nail color will usually have a sticky layer to help the next layer adhere better to if you want to continue to layer the colors. So you always want to make sure that you finish it off with some sort of top coat to get rid of that sticky layer. So there is the full set, and I would say I'm pretty happy with this set. It looks really good matte. The coverage of these gel polishes is really good even after just one coat of polish. This is not their glossy or their matte top coat. This is from another brand. But the color and the coverage they're really pretty. They're really good. So I will be doing a couple more videos doing nail art with these polishes. So make sure that you stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for that. So that is all for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.